simula nang mag-asawa ako at magkaroon ng anak, inisip ko talaga na I'll put my focus on how to take care of the kids, how to be a good mom, how to be a good wife, ganyan. Which is, actually, nakalimutan ko na yung sarili kong gusto. I want to focus to be a good mother to them, which is, that is a very bad idea. Because for me, na-realize ko na, huwag mong sarilinin lahat. And sometimes kasi ako mabilis ako magkilos, mas malinis, mas mabilis, kaya sinusolo ko na lang lahat, which is, it's a bad idea na na-realize ko that hindi mo kailangan gawin lahat sa sarili mo. Naiisip ko, I need help, hindi ko ito matatapos na malaki ni mga bata sila nauutusan na So, dati lagi akong aligaga na parang bilis. Yung parang, I don't wanna do it to myself. I have to honor myself. I have to value myself. As a mom, effective naman yung gagawin ko na I will share the chores. I will ask help kung kailangan. Hindi yung suluhin ko na lahat, di ba? So, yun nga nangyari kahapon. Tapos, very, very okay ako na hindi ako pagod. We should not underestimate their capability. Kaya na nila, alam mo yon. So, we have to share chores na mga mami. Hindi natin kailangan suluhin lahat dahil alam natin mas perfect tayo gumawa, mas maayos tayong gumawa, we don't need to be perfect. We don't need to do things perfectly. We need help. We need to do some self-care also.